YouTubers? Here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's a website review, their website link will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside. And you guys can get one at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, just add it to your cart now and check out. Ooh. Alright, yep, this is Amazon. This is coming from Beaspire. This is going to be Inflator pump. Light color changes, automatic delay shutdown. It has a variety of inflation modes. Real-time reminder of remaining power. Digital display. Default value. Convenient one-click use. So this is an inflator. Not sure if I have anything to inflate. Dang it. Well, we can test it out somehow. See how this looks. So this is what it'll look like when you get it. Get the instructions. Get a little travel satchel. Pretty cool. Here is some different valves. And then the needles for like basketball, soccer, pool stuff. So it's gonna come in handy now since it's summertime. Great Father's Day gift. Got the USB for quick charge. It has a little weight to it. Not too heavy. We got the hose. That's for like bikes and whatnot. Maybe wheelbarrows and stuff. So great for any person in the construction. Might come handy for them to use. Here we go. Ooh. Beaspire. There's a nice display right here. It feels nice. Fan. USB goes there. This thingy goes in here. See, look at that. And then you can use different valves on it. So we got the power button right there. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. It's a light. Whoa. There's a light button right here. So in case you're on the side road, you can flash for help. In case you got your bike right there. Whoa. Oh, it's crazy. Never thought they would make one like this. This is pretty cool though. Let me see if I could something I could pump up the jam. Pump up jam. Whoops. I think this is how it goes. Then you press this button. Oh yeah, it works. You can hear it. Yeah, right there you see. See the air moving it? Man, that's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna get something. I'll be right back. Guys, we got this old thing. This is really old. 2006. So, definitely deflated. You can see right there. Haha. Whoa. Holy smokes, look at that. That works great. Oops, it is autographed. I'm not sure by who though, but that's crazy. It's been many years since I had this pumped up. Some good times back then, 2006. And I went to the Super Bowl parties and all that good stuff. Really cool. But definitely check this out, guys. Beaspire. Get your own pump. Instant pump. Get them now. Alright, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.